Hello Numberblocks Fun! Today we're going to make a giant number block which is number block 300. Number block 300 is made of 300 yellow blocks. Also we're going to learn how else we can make number block 300. So before we start, go ahead and subscribe our channel called Numblocks Fun. So let's get started. Oh, we got so many number blocks here. Number block 2. What do you want? You're going to tell us how to make number block 300, right? Alright. So, let's get started. So, all we need to make number block 300 is a ruler and a pencil and a yellow cardboard which you can get it from Walmart or Dollar Tree. So, to take a template, we're going to take number block 100 as a template. So exactly what I'm doing, follow this. Take number block 100, put it on top of a cardboard and just draw number block 100 3 times, because 3 times 100 is 300. You're right. So all we're doing, we're putting the number block 100, making a template of 100, and we need how many of them? 3 of them. So here our 3 number blocks 100 are done. We cut it with a scissor. Make sure you take help with your parents or any adult to cut them. So now we need the faceplate. We need to draw them. So all you're gonna need a white paper. If there is glue behind it or it's a sticker, that's better. If not, that's okay. You can always glue them. So now we are drawing the crown, which is red in color. So we need a crown for number block 300. So we are done with the crown. Now we are making the smile, the mouth, yes, the red lip, and then we are drawing the eyes. Yes, number block 300, eyes are yellow in color. So we need yellow pencil, yellow pen. So right now I'm using yellow pen and marking with the yellow color. So you can do with a marker as well, with a pencil or with any kind of yellow color. So I'm just coloring the eyes yellow, and inside the eye pupil will be black in color. Now one thing is missing here. What is it? The crown top. Okay, before that we are just making sure that the teeth are visible. So I'm just putting 2 dots at the 2 corners, and then the missing part, I said, on top of the crown there are 3 yellow balls. So I'm just drawing them, making sure the crown looks pretty. Yes. So all I'm doing is drawing the crown yellow balls. Yes, I'm done. Again, I'm cutting them, and make sure while using a scissor, use your parents' help or any adult person's help. So I'm done cutting with them. So the crown part is done. Then I'm gonna cut the eye part, and the eye stickers are done as well, and the lips are done. So all the stickers, the face plates are done right now. So now it's time to assemble. All right, so let's take the 3 previously cut yellow cardboards, which were a template of 100 if you remember. Now I'm opening the crown, putting it on the top, and then now it's time to put the eyes. So the eyes are there, and then I'm going to put the mouth. So 300 with the faceplate is ready. So your 300 is just ready. So all are we gonna do right now is know how else we can make 300. So if you take 3 100, you're gonna make 300. That's right. That is number block 300 with 3 100. So we knew already. So how many 30 you need to make 300? You need 10 30 to make 300. So now we're going to take 50. How many 50 you need? You need 650 to make 300. You are doing pretty well. All right, so we're just doing some more math with 300. How else we can make 300? And we'll be done. So 60 times 5 is 300. You need 560 to make 300. Now we're going to make a big number block, which is, can you guess? It's number block 150. Yes. So 150, if you take 2 150, then you're going to make number block 300. Yes, 150 times 2 is 300. You did pretty well, I will say. So I will encourage you to make number block 300. Yes, number block 2, we are done with it. And go ahead and subscribe our channel. and look for more fun math, more bigger numbers. Yes, bigger numbers are coming on your way. And also let us know, how did you like the videos? How did you like the maths? So I'm going to present this math again with little bit of fun, a little bit of cartoon. So here is number block 300 again. So 300 can also be as a step squad. Yes, but to make that, what do you need? Maybe you can make it with a cardboard, or maybe you can just arrange 300 yellow number blocks and make them in a step squad. So let's move on to the math. Just I said 2 150, if you take, it's gonna build 300. So all you need to assemble 2 150 number and then add them and put them in a stack, which is going to make your number block 300, which is a very big number. Yes. And again, I already mentioned, if you take these 3 cute 100 number blocks, yes, 100 square number blocks, you assemble them on top of it. You take one 100, on top of it you add another 100, and on top of it you add another 100. It's going to make your number block 300. Then if you take 60 number blocks, 60 is nice lavender color, and you take 5 of them, 560, and you add 560 together, what are you going to get? You're going to get number block 300. Yes, isn't it so fun? I'm having so much fun in knowing that how many ways you can make number block 300. Now if you take the Rockstar 50, how many 50 you need? You need 650. 650 are gonna make your number block 300. Yes, so 6 times 50 is 300. Now let's move on to the next one. What is it? 30. How many 30 you need? Yes, you need 30, 10. You need 10 30, I mean to say. Yes. So if you assemble 30 10 times, you're gonna get number 300. Yes, you're doing so well. Just keep going with me. So the next number we're taking is 20. How many 20s you need? You need 15 20s. So if you add 15 20s side by side or stack somehow, you're gonna get number block 300. And the next one, probably the last one for today, if you take number block 10 30 times, then you're gonna get number 300. There are so many cute 10 here, which are actually waving us. Yes, and if you add 30 of them, you're gonna get your big giant number block, which is number block 300. So that's all for today, friends, and if you like our content, please go ahead and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching till the end. We will see you very soon.